So can you use Wealthy Affiliate only for hosting your website without using any of the other services that they provide on Wealthy Affiliate? Yes, you can use Wealthy Affiliate only for hosting. You are not required to complete any classes or use any tools or services on Wealthy Affiliate. It's not school where they take attendance or they force you to do stuff you don't want to do. You can use Wealthy Affiliate however you like. If you want to use Wealthy Affiliate just because they offer cheaper hosting, which is included in their premium and premium plus plan, then you can go ahead and do that. Since you're already paying for it and it's included, you might want to take advantage of the classes and other tools that Wealthy Affiliate offers, but of course it's 100% optional. So if you decide that your current hosting service is expensive and Wealthy Affiliate is actually cheaper, then you can transfer it over to Wealthy Affiliate and just use Wealthy Affiliate for their hosting. If you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate completely for free before you get started with the premium or premium plus subscription, then you can sign up using the link in the description. There's no credit card required.